Okay.
Afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to the cool hills of Newcastle. Welcome to Jamaica. Thanks for being here. Enjoy.
Thank you. Right, so we're here at Newcastle. If I show you what people are doing here.
A single foul first.
So they're doing their drills here. And this is a wall of badges here. If you have a look at this. Hat. Look at this wall of badges here. So this is a Jamaican military heritage trail, wall of badges. Give us a call, Onestop Cultural Tours Jamaica, and we'll actually bring you up here. Hello. So we'll come up here, you see, myself.